Hi, my name is Cindy, and it is time for Cozy Corner or Vignette. If you have been here before, thanks for returning. If you're new, welcome to Z9 Designs. Please subscribe and keep watching for the coziest corner. So let's get started. I decided to make my coffee table my cozy corner. I have a large tray on top that I change somewhere around 4 to 5 times per year. I started out by cleaning the mirror and the coffee table. It is always a good idea to use books for height for what you're going to put on top. I found a black metal greenhouse at Joann Fabrics that was 70% off. It was just the right size for my coffee table. And so I cleaned it up. And I found a flower pot that was pink and decided to paint it terracotta to give it a better look. And after painting it, I took some chalk paint and gave the pot a dry brush. Now, it would look good against the glass and black frame. I potted my plant and inserted it into the terracotta pot that I DIY'd. I opened the top of the terrarium and placed the plant inside, and it looks so nice on top of the books. I also found a black candle holder that was nice and found 2 white candles that was in my stash, and I inserted one on each side. And this was a sale item that was 90% off at Hobby Lobby. Oh, what a find. Next, I found a white lace Christmas ornament, or I think it might have been just an orb, and I placed that on top of the mirror tray. Now this look is minimal, practical, and beautiful. And let me know what you think about this cozy corner. I know my plant will survive in this environment, and my candle will give me just the mood I'm looking for, and the lace orb will give me just the sparkle that I need. Now this collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Tablescapes by Candy. The co-hosts include Z9 Designs, designed by Emma, Debbie Bubbles, Annalise Cupboard, and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. So be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment. And the links to the playlist is in the description box below. But use hashtag CozyCorner24. So, If you have liked what you have seen and some of my little DIYs, please subscribe to my channel and join in the fun. Follow me on social media, Instagram, Threads, and TikTok for now. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate each and every one of you. And remember, joy is a word that can be used every day the entire year. And this is from me. See you later. Bye-bye.